This Hawaiian Swag painting by Stephen Lucas bursts with a vibrant energy, a playful collision of bold colors and dynamic geometric forms that definitely evokes a sense of the islands with a modern twist. The immediate impression is one of vibrancy. Lucas utilizes a rich palette of blues, ranging from deep indigo to bright cerulean, oranges, from soft peach to fiery coral, blacks, whites, and touches of red and muted greens. These colors are juxtaposed in a way that creates visual excitement and prevents any area from feeling static. While clearly abstract, the composition hints at recognizable motifs. You can almost discern figures, perhaps faces or dancers, and possibly even elements of the natural Hawaiian landscape, maybe stylized waves, tropical flora, or even volcanic shapes, though these are never explicitly defined. The forms are broken down into geometric shapes, triangles, curves, rectangles, and irregular polygons that interlock and overlap, creating a sense of depth and movement. There's a sense of playful experimentation and a departure from traditional representational art. It feels contemporary and visually punchy. The Hawaiian element is more suggestive than literal. It could be the vibrancy of the color palette, which echoes the bright hues of tropical flowers, the ocean and the sky. Perhaps the dynamic interplay of shapes hints at the constant motion of the islands, the waves, the wind, the growth. There might even be subtle nods to traditional Hawaiian art forms in the stylized patterns or the overall feeling of layered complexity. The way the shapes interact and the contrasting colors create a visual rhythm. Your eye is drawn across the canvas, following the lines and the shifts in color and form. There's a feeling of underlying energy and dynamism. The painting doesn't offer easy answers or clear narratives. Instead, it invites the viewer to engage with the abstract forms and colors, to find their own interpretations and connections, perhaps even drawing on their own understanding or imagination of Hawaii. Overall, Stephen Lucas's Hawaiian Swag painting is a bold and engaging abstract work that captures a vibrant and contemporary feeling, hinting at the energy and spirit of Hawaii through its dynamic composition and striking color palette. It's a piece that likely sparks curiosity and offers a fresh perspective on the artistic representation of the islands. Scan the QR code to learn more about Stephen Lucas and Hawaiian Swag.